finally made it. The weather has been crazy here in Durham, North Carolina. You made it, man. How you feeling?
I'm pissed off.
Pissed off?
Pretty.
At what?
I made it through the puddles.
You went through the puddles?
Oh yeah, the only way to get there.
What? Oh my.
And then
How,
go through any three.
how high was it?
Only like a foot. At most.
Okay.
And then a car went by. The opposite direction.
Okay. So what's up? What are you pissed at?
I was out there.
Okay. Oh, you was out there at your own accord, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, we'll load up the scooter. Hopefully this thing is okay. Hopefully he's okay.
Not so much intense. I have to like that shit. That did not happen again. And you guys were nowhere to be found. And that shit got really bad when the quick started it. This nigga just burnt ass light.
I'm sorry. Show must go on. But I'm confused. They weren't lost or anything like that. They weren't.
Yeah, we weren't lost. Yeah. The rain got bad.
The rain got bad before I called you?
Way
You didn't
after,
call me, bro.
way
No,
after.
when he called.
It was during.
Yeah, he called us during the rain. First of all, do you realize that I'm wet too?
Yeah.
Because
we both got wet.
we got caught in the rain.
You got something on your mouth, man.
Probably
Sue,
peanut butter and
right
jelly.
side. Yeah, there you go.
That
I
shit
could have left it there. I could have left it there, but.
Yeah, man. Yeah, bro.
We ain't
it's
going
like-
nowhere tomorrow.
Yeah, and bro, like sometimes when you come back and like stuff don't go as planned, like you don't, it's not always a finger to be pointed. You know what
Nah,
I'm saying?
this
Like it's
is
just
the second. I could have got hurt. I could have got really
That's
hurt.
not-
But that wasn't our fault, bro. Like if
No,
we got,
but who was supposed to be driving the bus?
what does that have
What?
to do with
No,
it?
we.
The bus is the only reason that I couldn't get picked up safely.
Yes, but we hadn't anticipated this rain.
No one anticipated.
Yeah, but
So
we
then
said that
who's-
we was going out to the music festival.
Yeah, we already said that, and then
Yeah.
like we got
And then
caught
you even
in the
texted
rain.
me
What
like,
are you
"It's
talking
lit.
about?
I'm on my way," and I'm like, "Yeah, find me on the app. Come." I had no idea that you were caught in the rain. You can't come pointing fingers again at us because you're stranded on the bike.
It's you guys' job to be with the bus. And literally, this is the whole reason for the bus. To come pick up whoever's in a dangerous situation.
Damn,
Bro.
we did do that, bro.
Bro,
no.
We obviously couldn't get you because.
Bro, we got look. Here's the moral of the story, bro. We got caught in the rain. We got caught in the rain.
Y'all told me we got caught in the rain. I was out in the rain on a damn bike.
Okay, bro.
And then y'all said, I can't get to you because there's puddles. And y'all are in a, I don't know how many wheels this is, bus.
First of all, we didn't
Literally.
keep moving the bus because JP told us not to drive the bus through that. So,
Okay, well, I made it through a scooter.
oh, well,
Well, it definitely wasn't the same. It definitely wasn't the same shit we went through for sure, man.
yeah.
Cause it was almost like knee height, something like that.
Yeah, it was like truck height, like big ass truck height.
Yeah.
Like as in the truck was submerged.
As in the
Like,
truck
I
was
was into
submerged.
it.
As in some people tell us don't go there. There's floods.
Yeah,
I want to
niggas
try to
that
get in
listen
here a
to
little
us
bit.
don't
Excuse
go
me, real quick. Excuse me, Sooth.
You just have to like accept that this is out of everyone's
Can I
control.
possibly get around you, man? I just
Yes,
want to
you
get a really good
possibly
angle.
can.
Okay. Thank you. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shoot. All right.
Good. Wait, it's not on your foot, is it?
No, you good. Yeah, man. I think everybody did the best.
This shit is crazy.
What?
This shit is just crazy.
Yeah. So
Napkins.
I don't know.
Man, I'm good. Everything good. You got caught in the rain. We all got caught in the rain.
yeah, I think we did the best we could. If anything, maybe we
Yeah.
could have communicated a little quicker. You know, Zora, you could have been a little quicker on the texts and calls. When I got close to you.
It was fine. I thought
Yeah.
everything was fine. You can't get mad at us again. When you want your apples.
Yeah, bro.
Communication could have been
Bro,
smoother.
you tight.
Yo,
Let
I'm
him know,
tight.
bro.
I'm tight. Because if that was you, if that was any of y'all,
If it was me, I'd have been cool, bro.
you would have been cool.
Yeah, I'd
Get
have
on the
been
bike and
cool.
go ride through that right now.
I'm not gonna put myself in a situation, but
Exactly.
but I
Would
would
you
have been
be?
cool.
Would you be in a situation?
No.
No.
I would be cool, bro.
No, you would not.
I would be cool.
Nigga, no, you
Because
would
I'm not. Because I don't
JP.
bitch or complain about anything.
JP,
What's
So-
up?
when you came to get me, right?
Uh-huh.
And you were like, before you even came, and you were like, look, I don't have the bus to get the bike. You're gonna have to stay with the bike. What did you say right after that? We got 2 bus drivers, but none of them are with the bus. Why?
Because we communicated. We literally
yeah.
all said what we were going to do. We said we were going out. That's what we said we were going to do from the beginning of the night. So if you get caught up in some shit, bro, then you get caught up in some shit, and we wasn't with the bus, and that's some shit you just gonna have to take on the chin. Because we already said we wasn't going to be with the bus.
That doesn't.
Yes, it does. That's exactly what that means. We said we weren't going to be with it from the beginning.
Is your
so
job-
we can. No, bro.
is
It's
your
our job.
job-
When we
Alright.
communicate that we're not going to be with
I
the
need to
bus,
call a referee
then
timeout
then
real
we're-
quick.
Then we're not going to be with the bus. Now, when we found out that it was something going on, JP came and picked us up. I didn't get no calls or no texts. They were texting, but when we got the calls, we left out the joint, and then we came to you. But by the time we was coming to you, it was knee deep. And he told us not to go through it, and it didn't make sense to go through
No,
it.
I had to back up. I was actually endangering my car. I was bringing them to you. I had to back up.
So at the
Yeah.
end of the day, it's no fingers to be pointed, bro. We told you what we was going to do. You got caught in the rain. That's it. You got caught in the rain, and there's no fingers to be pointed, bro. You gotta stop doing that. Every time you come back, you always got some fingers to
This
point.
is the second time.
Yeah,
Second.
and the first time it was on you too, bro. You
No,
left
the
your
first
fucking
time
car.
y'all
You left
didn't
your
stop.
you left your phone in the
And
fucking
I communicated with you that time that I was coming to get it at the BP
car.
station.
All right, and we went to the BP station
y'all
and you
didn't
wasn't
stop.
there. Yes, we did, bro.
No, you didn't.
We
You
came
kept
right back
moving.
around, bro.
You-
We
coming
came
right
back
back around
we
doesn't
came
mean
right
you
we came
stopped.
we came right back around
doesn't mean
because
you stopped.
we missed the entrance, so we came back around.
That doesn't mean
we
you
came back
stopped.
around and
That
fil-
doesn't mean you communicated
Bro,
that
we
you were
can't.
coming back
How
around.
we going to communicate when you don't got
You
your
stop
phone?
the car.
Stop
you
the
wait.
car. What?
You
What are you
stop.
talking
You
about?
pull over
So
and you
you
stop.
were going to the gas station.
What did
right?
I miss?
Hold on.
You know what they talking about?
We turned the car around. We drove back around and filled the car up with $90 worth of gas, and you still weren't at the BP. So we thought you left. So
I
what?
was
So
trying to find y'all.
all right. So how are we supposed to catch up with you when you don't have
It's
your
not
phone?
about catching up. It's about pulling over and waiting. It's about
We
being
stopped
conscious.
and filled up with $90
No,
worth of
you
gas,
went
and you
around-
still weren't at the
You
station.
went around the corner.
So if $90 worth of gas is a lot of gas. That's at least a
To come
that's at
back
least-
to the station.
That's at least a couple.
right,
that's
first of all,
that's at least a
let's-
couple minutes
let's-
worth of
let's
gas.
spell
A
this
couple
out.
minutes worth of gas.
you guys
So-
could get to the wait. Because you guys could get to the station, right? Because you guys had navigation. At that point, I didn't have navigation. First of all. Second of all, you took a random route to the state. We got separated before we even got to the station. That's the shit. And then you didn't stop and say, hey, we're going to go around. You just kept going. You were like, oh, he'll follow us.
You were right behind us, bro.
You were right
Bro,
behind us. Isaiah.
You were right behind us.
I'm lost, fellas. I'm so lost.
That shit got-
Because he has a propensity for just like
What happened?
No, I don't blame y'all for.
Yes,
I don't
you do.
blame.
What
y'all.
happened? What
you're
happened?
doing,
There's two things.
We
There's
went
Can
to
you
the
recap
gas-
very quickly? 1 minute.
Well, literally, we went to the gas station. Isaiah was behind us. We missed.
He was in a scooter or what?
He was on the scooter right
Okay.
behind us. And then when we went to the station, right, there were 2 entrances, but one entrance had too many cars, but we skipped this entrance. So we literally pulled right around the block. He saw where the gas station was because he was behind us. We pulled around the block because we were going to meet him back there and fill up
then
our
when
gas.
another thing-
And literally when we came back around the block, we didn't see him. And we had filled up the car with gas, and I thought that he had just already filled up and left. So there really
But he was
Why
looking
didn't
for you or
wait at the
something.
gas station?
yeah, but we didn't know because he left his phone in the
Right behind
bus.
us, Isaiah.
He was right behind. So it's like,
When you saw that I
why
wasn't
why
behind
would
you
he
at
not
gas
be at the
Why
station?
didn't you guys
So-
wait at the station?
Because we didn't know what was going on.
Yeah.
So you
we
wait.
thought you'd left.
Ain't no
Yeah,
you
we
wait.
didn't
We
see-
thought you left because
We
it only.
didn't know you didn't have your phone.
All right, how
All right.
many dollars does it take to fill up the scooter?